This is Martin from Nokia Mob, and I'm holding here Nokia 6. Let me just drop the light of the screen so we can see it much better. Check out this device, it's beautiful. It's made out of aluminum 6000 block. It's carved out with diamond cut precision, and you have those dual tones. This is actually gold with blue. Best looking phone in its price range. It's much smaller than the original 6, as you can see. Check this out. It is much smaller, but it still feels perfectly in your hand. It's sturdy enough. It feels like a good quality phone that won't break easily. Check it. It's really, really nice, and I love it. It's built nicely, and trust me, if you buy it, you're gonna be satisfied, because otherwise it has improved in terms of specs, especially when we are talking about the processor, which is now Snapdragon 660, and we have size lenses. And let me see, what about the double tap to wake up the display? So if you lie down and you are angry because there isn't any front-facing fingerprint scanner, then you can just double tap your screen and unlock it. And it seems like it is highly sensitive, which is something that we saw in Lumia 920 the first time. It's really, really beautiful phone. Its front-facing camera is a fixed focus one, so that could be troublesome for somebody, but trust me, if you have front-facing fixed focus camera and you are using it for, let's say, dual phone, so it's all in focus, so you won't have to worry about that. And size lenses will give you the best possible picture on this price range. Let's take a picture here of this beautifully carved wall, and let's check the picture. Check this out. It looks great. Let me just take the same picture with my Nokia 6, and let's see how this goes. It's much improved since the latest update, but trust me, the new one, 6.1, looks much better. Okay guys, so cheers from Vienna, from HMD press event, where we got our chance to play with Nokia 6, Nokia 7 Plus, and Nokia 8 Sirocco.